Voters here in Sacramento County are getting ready to head to the polls. Law enforcement agencies, they're working to keep it a safe election.
KCRA 3's Carolina Estrada joins us live at the Sacramento County Elections Office. So we know, Carolina, that safety and security are top of mind for a lot of people.
Yeah, Edie, especially with all the people coming out to vote. Just in the last 3 hours that we've been out here, we've seen a steady flow of people coming out to drop off their ballots. And they tell us one of the reasons is they think this site is safe. And so right now, the Sacramento County Voters Registration Office is right next to the Sheriff's Central Office. And so there are a lot of patrols out here, a lot of security. But that doesn't mean that deputies will not be out making sure that other incidents don't happen in other polling areas or drop-off boxes. There's excitement ahead of Election Day.
It's exciting because we're empowering ourselves by voting, right? And trying to say that this is what we want.
And to ensure that every voter can cast their ballot, law enforcement agencies in Sacramento County are watching for any safety concerns that may arise.
We want to make sure that everyone who is eligible to vote has that opportunity to vote and vote safely.
Sacramento County Sheriff spokesman Omar Gandhi says deputies will be ready to respond to any disturbances.
We haven't really had a big problem in terms of voter interference or, voting problems or disturbances at these voting stations, which is a real testament to how Sacramento is.
In a statement to KCRA 3, the California Highway Patrol says in part, officers are always vigilant for potential incidents that may occur near the state capitol. We have personnel ready to respond for public safety and protect state property as necessary.
Obviously, being in the capital of Sacramento, we're used to a lot of the politics, so the population kind of reflects that.
Either way, deputies will be vigilant as people go out to vote.
I really trust the system, and where we live, I think people are pretty civil about the process.
And people are really excited about voting and making their voice heard. The Sacramento County Sheriff's Office say voters can report any incidents that may happen directly to them. Live in Sacramento County, Carolina Estrada, KCRA 3 News.